Hey everyone, my name is Annie Wallace and I'm a mom of two boys and I live in upstate New York and I graduated school with a teaching degree in elementary ed. And what I do now is a little bit different but very similar in the aspect of I'm always learning and learning new things and I'm teaching people new things. So a lot of people ask me, what do you do? So first and foremost, I am a mom to my two boys, John and Will, who are now 6 and 3. I worked really long hours as a publisher's representative, always on the road. And one of the biggest things that really drove me crazy was that I never really had my own freedom or owned my own life. So one of the main reasons I decided to start my own business with the coaching opportunity is because I wanted freedom. I was told where I needed to be, when I needed to be there. Sometimes I was in my car, driving over 2 hours or 3 hours a day, and I never really had a choice. I was just given that was it. If I wanted the all-American dream of the six-figure income and the company car and, life, I guess. And that was safe. That was safe to me, but I was really miserable. I was actually not happy. I was in a box that was controlled by somebody else. And one of the biggest things that made me really sad was that, I couldn't be there for a lot of things that my children needed me to be there for. Some days I had to spend the night and I would go, a full 48 hours without seeing them. And I started coaching just part-time because I, needed accountability and the workouts were really easy. They were all online so I could do them in my hotel room and I needed something on the go for nutrition. So I started drinking Shakeology and, because I was always at the drive-in. I was that quick person that just needed that, a meal and it gave me that dense nutrition I needed. And very quickly I lost 30 pounds from, the pregnancy of my two children. And people were asking me for years, why aren't you, coaching? Why aren't you looking deeper into this coaching opportunity that you could actually really help other people the way that your coach helped you? It could be a really big ripple effect in your own business. And so I did start part-time, whenever I had a couple minutes here or there. I was on the road a lot, had kids, and I believe so much in the way that it has changed me that I just couldn't help but start to tell, my friends, my family, and just started sharing my journey on Instagram and on Facebook. And, what Beachbody in my own coaching business, because I look at it as a way that other people are not just connecting with the products and the programs, but they're connecting with me and they're texting me and they want my help. And that amazes me because I was once that person that really needed people's help. And I'm still that person that wakes up every day and is like, I need some accountability. I need somebody to tell me to get up and work out. And that's what my challengers and my coaches do to me. So it's really a full circle effect. But to see the potential of you giving a ripple effect of how something has helped just yourself and you're sharing that with other people, that is the best part about it, what I do. And I love every moment of it. In 2014, I left my full-time job with the comfy company car and the six-figure income. And my husband thought I was pretty much nuts. But I had saved up, and made a base with my, coaching business on the side through multi-level marketing, which is you helping other people and your coaches helping people. And once you start a very systematic approach to how you do your coaching, and I now teach my coaches what I did, which is so weird because I was a teacher, right? And so that's really what I think about my business is I'm teaching other people exactly what I did, and they're teaching their people, and they're teaching their people, and so it really is a big ripple effect. So I started with 3 coaches in 2013, and now I have over 1,000 coaches on my team, that are coaches from my coaches and their coaches. So the opportunity of, that coaching gives you is a great opportunity because you really can't advance in the business and income and financial unless you yourself are advancing your own business. So it's not one of those things where, you can just be like, oh, I'm going to be a coach and then I'm going to make blah, 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 and I'm going to leave my job. If you're not showing up and being consistent and you're not, improving, I'm not improving hugely every day, but just a little bit here and there, they set up the compensation plan and they recognize those leaders that are helping other people. And that's really how I've created my six-figure income. And that's not just me, that is my team. But it's one of those things that, when people ask me, it's such a weird question because I really don't even know sometimes. I'm that person that wakes up and I really want to have a donut, but no, I'm going to stay accountable to my goals because I know that's going to help other people. And I'm not going to say it, I'm not going to have that donut because, heck, I will. I'll have pizza. But I know that I have this support of this community and I love teaching other people what I do. So if you are a busy mom or you are just looking to get healthy and fit, or you just want, to pay for your groceries and, whatever it is that your personal goals are, I would love to talk to you. I have a 5-day sneak peek going over more about what I do as a coach and, how I'm a mom and a wife and I balance all of this, on a daily basis and how simple it is to maybe implement into your life. But more importantly, I want you to know that, this is something that you could do and this is something that you would want to do. So I would love to give you some more information. If you are interested, please comment below, and you can also email me, and I am going to start next Monday on October 5th. Bye. And if you are watching this video and it's past that date, I always have an internship the last Monday of every month, and that's really when I like to touch base one-on-one with people that are asking me questions so I can give you better information. So feel free to always reach out to me. Bye, guys, and have a great day.